Yeah, what's up, JC? Man, you ready now? We out here about to do another, reaction video to this video that Mamba FX just did, Forex Mobile Trading Strategy. Let's take a look. My first time seeing this, so let's see.
Bro, I just wanted to bring you guys in really quick to say, you clicked on a really good video, man. Y'all better study this shit, man. This Mamba strategy is legit. If anybody asks you what you're doing, I'm using that Mamba strategy. They're gonna know you're profitable. All the girls gonna come to you. It's gonna be easy money. So study, backtest, practice. Get into this video, man. Enjoy everything. Enjoy the whole video. Soak it in and get ready to learn the Mamba strategy, baby. This shit going crazy. Yo, what's poppin', Snake Gang? Sorry for that intro. I was trying to kick that motherfucker out of my seat, and I totally ate shit on camera, so great start to the video. Yo, so here's what we're doing today. You guys highly, and I mean highly requested this video. And if you guys ever want to request videos in the future, just message me on my Instagram. It's right here. Just follow it. Message me on there. There's no reason not to. But why is this thing? Okay. Without any further ado, I want to just kind of hop into this video. Let's get the quick stuff out of the way. You got my Instagram. If you guys want a quick, easy broker that pretty much lets you deposit $10, link down below. Merch, Booty Eating Gang merch, all that good shit down below. Free group down below. Everything down below. Just go down below if you're looking for anything that's not on YouTube. So you guys have been asking for this video so heavy, man, so I have to give it to you. And all it is like a two confirmation, pretty much scalping strategy where you're gonna use Bollinger Bands and RSI. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you guys my exact settings so you guys can pretty much just, put it on your phone and fucking get ready to do this shit. By the way, guys, this is a phone strategy, so if you don't have a phone, I mean, you can use a computer, but I mean, this is a phone strategy. This is gonna be all done from your damn phone. Pretty cool, man. We're using the MT4 app. Download MT4, get a phone, do what you gotta do, and get ready to make some damn money. Let's hop into this shit, man. My back actually hurts from that fall. God damn. Oh, fuck. Oh. Imagine. Alright guys, so I'm right here on my phone. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I set everything up. That way you guys can kind of get a gist of what we're doing here. So first and foremost, go ahead and hit the top F icon and then go to indicator window number 1. You're going to click the blue area, okay? Find Bollinger Bands and pretty much have these exact settings. You're going to have 34 for the period, shift to 0, deviations is 2.000, and then apply to first indicators data, okay? No levels, nothing like that. Just leave it as is everywhere else. Okay, then you're going to go to indicator window once more, and you're going to add Bollinger Bands. Okay, oh no, we already had Bollinger Bands. I'm sorry, what the hell? We're going to add where is it? Relative Strength Index. Okay, this is what you're going to pretty much have. You're going to have 14 as the period, apply to close. For the levels, you're going to do 75 and 25, and I keep it all black. It's kind of how I do it because my screen's white. So this is what you're going to get once you pretty much put those all together. Very simple strategy, guys. Get ready for this, okay? As you guys can see, price broke above the Bollinger Bands, closed, and we had that rejection to the upside on price action. What happened right after? Well, price decided to drop heavy, okay? Now, that's great. It's a cool strategy and everything, but if you add the Bollinger Band with the RSI, and all these RSI levels are the obvious known levels of pretty much overbought and oversold markets. It's always been 75, it's always been 25. Those are the markets that are really overbought and oversold, okay? Let's go find some that, make sense, right? So check this out right here. Price is broken below, almost broke below the Bollinger Bands, but not quite. But I would count that as breaking below because it's pretty much in it. And then also broke below that RSI level, indicating a very, very oversold market. So what does that mean? Well, price kind of just wants to come back up, and look what it does. Boom. Flies straight back up. And it's really that simple, guys. Check this out. Again, price touches the top of that Bollinger Band, breaks above the RSI level, and what do we have off that rejection? Whoa. For some reason, arrows don't come out sometimes. Boom. Price floods down, okay? Not majorly.
So, as you can see, using the RSI indicator, you could kind of see the momentum of the market where price is being overbought, oversold. So right now, if you see this little breakout, you can see it happened pretty much here, this breakout. So then over here, if you could draw a trend line to catch like the downtrend of momentum, because right now it's overbought, so it's going to like potentially drop down. So that's why you see the drop happening over here on this end. That correlates with this drop over here. Just an FYI.
But it floods down enough, right? So keep going through this right here. As you guys can see, we think we're in an overbought market, but we're not really sure. Look down below, you will see that you're above the RSI and you've broken out of those Bollinger Bands. Price is probably going to drop. And what did price do? It dropped. Boom. Very, very simple. And if you guys are kind of looking at this with me, you guys can see like places like this. It never went to the RSI, it just did the Bollinger Bands, still dropped. So, you know, sometimes you can do Bollinger Bands by themselves, but I really prefer you guys do these together, because when you see both, that's when it's going to be the most deadly, okay?
I guess
Right
like
here.
he's using two for
Oversold
extra
market.
confirmation.
How do we know that? Bollinger Bands have been broken out. If we're way under that RSI, guess what? Price decided to go up. Not majorly, but enough to where you would put your stops at break even, because you'd probably be up 20 pips, and then you're just going to relax. You know what I'm saying? Very simple. This is the H1, but you can also use the H, or the H. You can use the H4, H1. M15 is very deadly as well, but H1 is kind of the most secure, so not necessarily scalping, but you use this to scalp because you're in and out really quick. After you see those movements, you get out, okay? You might not even hold to here. You might just hold to here. Yeah, you might only catch 10, 15 pips, but adjust your freaking lot sizes, and guess what? There you go. You're making whatever percentage you want to make just by adjusting your lot sizes. Very simple. Let's see if we can show a couple more examples, such as this area right here. Boom.
So
Okay. Overbought market. How do we know?
Position shots you take.
Boom.
People.
RSI has been broken above, and so has the Bollinger Bands. Now what happens? Price floods down for major pips.
Overbought. So
very, very simple, guys. All this strategy essentially is kind of just looking for overbought, overbought and oversold markets, and really just taking advantage of them. Do I suggest using the strategy by itself? Kind of, yes and no, you can. But if you really want to see really, really amazing results, then I really suggest you add this to your price action trading strategy, such as breaks and retests, trend lines, all that good stuff you guys like to use, Fibonacci's, moving averages, all that stuff you use. Beautiful. Use that with this. Deadly. You are going to be deadly. This is just another trick to add to your arsenal to really snipe. You can catch sniper entries, and not only that, you're going to know when to get out. So if you see a Fibonacci long position, you get in and price shoots up, and you're like, should I take my profit or should I hold? But then you look and you broke out of those Bollinger Bands. It's an overbought market. Get out, take your profit. See what I'm saying? You can use this in two ways. Guys, I didn't think I'd show you this, but I really thought I'd really help you guys out, because I know a lot of you guys are struggling. This is such a simple strategy to use. So take it, please, please study, backtest, practice with this, and don't just take it like it's nothing. Take this, take my words of advice, because I really want you guys to succeed and be where I am one day. I really do, man. That's why I'm making these videos, is to help you guys out. And I'd love to see how many of you guys can succeed using this strategy. So for now on, what are we going to be using? This is called the Mamba strategy, all right? This is the Mamba sniping, scalping, perfect entry strategy. Tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your grandma, I learned the Mamba strategy today, and I'm buying you a Corvette, I'm buying you a Lambo next month. That's all you gotta say. You see a cute girl walking by. What you think about the Mamba strategy? She is going to explode. Damn, man.
That was easy.
That's all I gotta say, man. Where the fuck is Teddy Bear? I feel so bad, bro. I'm sorry, that shit was so fucked up with me, man. You can have my shirt back, I'm done. Mamba strategy, baby. Let's get it.
So pretty much the strategy, not too complicated. Just focus on overbought, oversold markets, using indicators, using two indicators. So having 2 or 3 confirmations, it's pretty good in giving you confidence in entering a trade. You have like 3 legit reasons why you should enter a trade or not enter a trade. And yeah, so I know like people use RSI or Bollinger Bands, and I would say definitely test it out on demo and see if you're consistent and see how you catch it in the real life market conditions, because it's easy to show it when the market is, you know, dead, where play already happened, but to actually do it in a live market conditions is different. So definitely try out the strategy when the market is live. See how good you are and how consistent you are with your profits doing the strategy. Understanding when to get in and when to get out when you use the strategy. Because this strategy is a patient type of strategy where you have to wait a while for it to play out. Because sometimes it takes a while for it to drop or rise up. And it might be fake out. So you got to see all that and experience all that. That's pretty much it. Definitely like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think about the strategy. And already know we out here.